Hey there, it's Paul here from freedomtraderpro.com. Now in this video, I want to talk about what is a sell stop order and what is a buy stop order. So stay tuned and I will go through it in just a second. Okay, if you're brand new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I put out a couple of videos a week to help you move forward in your Forex journey. So in this video, I want to talk about buy stop and sell stop, okay? So let me just put the text up here. So you've got a buy stop order and you've got a sell stop order, okay? So what are buy stop and sell stop orders? So let's just say we've got a buy here and we've got a sell here. Let's make our buy green for a buy and let's make our sell red for a sell. Okay, so just say, I'm going to make this black for the time being. Just say we had this scenario. Okay, so let's just say price was here, okay, and what we wanted to do, price is moving in upwards direction. We wanted to enter the market when the price got to this point. We didn't want to mark, if you enter the market at a specific point, then it's obviously a market execution. If you're waiting for price to go up and hit, say you wanted to hit this price point before you entered into the market, you would set a buy stop at this price so that when price hit that, it would enter into a buy position for you. And the same with a sell stop. Say price is here, price would be moving downwards. You wanted to enter when price got down here. So as I say, when price gets here, you enter into a sell stop and it enters you into a sell position and it carries on moving. Hopefully it carries on moving into a sell for you. Okay, so as I say, in a nutshell, a buy stop enters you into the market at a specific price point, enters you into a buy, and a sell stop enters you into a sell position at a specific price point for a sell. So let's just say we've got, there's a couple of different scenarios you could use it. I'm just going to give you one example. I don't use buy stops and sell stops personally at all in my business, but I'm going to give you a couple of ways that you may be able to use it. So let's just say you've got price here. It's in a little bit of consolidation, and let's just say that if price came past this line and broke out of the consolidation, you'd want to go into a buy. If price came past this line, past the consolidation, you'd want to go into a sell. So what you could potentially do is you could set up a couple of things. Let me just mark that up. Okay, so you'd want to give it a little bit of breathing space, but let's just say you set up a buy stop on this green line and said, okay, if it breaks out of this consolidation, hits this green line, I want to enter into a buy, and I'm hoping that the price is going to carry on going into a buy position and carrying on in a bullish direction. If price breaks out from this line and crosses this red line, I want to enter a sell position and hopefully the price is going to carry on in a bearish direction. So you could set up a buy stop on this green line and a sell stop on this red line, and you could kind of hedge your bets onto where price is going. As I say, I don't use this, isn't giving you any advice into trading or anything like that. I'm just showing you a way that you could use this in your business. As I say, I don't use buy stops or sell stops. I tend to use buy limits and sell limits, which I will go through in another video. In fact, I'll link to it at the end of this video. So let's just say you've done that, and let's just play price out and see what happens with it. As I say, you can see there, price has just come up to this green line. At that point, if you had set a buy stop at that price point, you would now be entered into a buy position. Now, obviously, stop loss and things like that is another story. It's another thing that you'd need to consider, which I'm not going through in this video. I just want to explain the buy stops and sell stops. So at this point here, you would now be into a buy position in the market, and you'd hope that price would carry on in a bullish direction. But as I say, because you've given it a bit of breathing space from this consolidation here, you'd hope that that would carry on moving into a bullish direction. So there you go. As you can see, in that instance, you know, it would have probably worked out for you. Price has carried on, gone into a bullish direction, and actually triggered that buy stop, and you probably would have made some profit. So that's basically all I want to go through in this video. I hope this has kind of made sense. I hope it's helpful for you, and I hope it's kind of helped you understand how this works and a potential as to how you would use buy stops and sell stops in your trading business. So if you're looking at buy limits and sell limits, I'm going to put a link to that at the end of this video, so be sure to go and check out that video also. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. I do put out a couple of videos each and every week to help you move forward in your trading journey, and I look forward to talking with you again real soon. Take care.